On June 12, the 2025 Ora Good Cat was launched and started pre-sale. The pre-sale price range of the three new Good Cat models is 89,800 to 109,800 yuan. The Ora Good Cat GT Mulan version also started pre-sale at the same time, and a total of 2 models were released, and the pre-sale price is 102,800 to 112,800 yuan. Various new colors have been added to the new car, and some design details have been adjusted. Second, the interior layout has been significantly changed, and the materials and colors have been greatly optimized. Finally, the power and pure electric range of the new car have also been increased to a certain extent. In terms of appearance, it continues the rounded lines of the current model, but strengthens its sporty features with detailed adjustments. For example, the air intake area has been extended to the middle of the license plate frame, equipped with horizontal chrome plating, and vents have been added on both sides to optimize aerodynamics and add a sporty feel. The overall side profile remains unchanged. The length, width and height are 4,242, 4254, /1825, 1848, /1632 mm respectively, which is longer than the current model, and the wheelbase remains unchanged at 2,650 mm. Secondly, 6 new exterior colors have been added: emerald blue, bright green, pink coral, Tahiti Gray, Jade Stone, and Oriental Pearl White. It is worth noting that emerald blue, bright green, and pink coral use a two-tone body design with a black roof. The other 3 are single-color paint schemes. The biggest change at the rear is that the ORA logo has been replaced with the GWM logo representing the Great Wall Group. Secondly, the rear Rhythm Master taillights reflect the front of the car with a unique sense of rhythm. The new car adopts the dual-screen design again, with an independent floating instrument display and a larger central control display. It is also equipped with a dual-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel and a manual gear shift mechanism, and offers 3 interior color options: Tanyun Brown, Kinglubi and Shikinkwi. The air conditioning vents in Kinglubi have red decorative pieces. The 10.25-inch full LCD instrument panel and the 14.6-inch floating central control display are combined into a large screen. The screen uses aerograph film to reduce reflection, glare and fingerprints. With an ultra-narrow frame design of 7 mm, it can be compared to an iPad tablet. The 1920 by 1080 resolution makes the display effect delicate and clear. This new intelligent linkage system is built on the Coffee OS 3 smart cockpit. It not only supports 3-second startup and 1-click switching of 8 scene modes, but also realizes see and talk voice interaction. In terms of intelligent driving, it is equipped with 19 super strong sensing hardware and L2 intelligent driving assistant system at the same level, including 1 intelligent front view camera, 4 surround view cameras, 2 mm wave radars and 12 ultrasonic radars. It can realize full speed following, lane centering, intelligent speed limiting assistance and other functions. It uses a body made of more than 70% high-strength steel, is equipped with 6 airbags, and the battery has 5-star fire safety protection. It also won the High Cold Star Award from the China Automotive Research Institute Huaqing certification. In an extremely cold environment below -20 degrees Celsius, it traveled a total of 6,608 kilometers with 0 failure throughout the entire journey. The seats are covered with leather material, with diamond stitching on the shoulders and perforations at the contact points to enhance aesthetics, breathability, and comfort. The door panels are made of leather with the same diamond stitching as the seats. The auxiliary instrument panel is equipped with a 12-volt power port, USB Type-C port, storage compartment, cup holder, etc. The front of the roundabout bar is a mobile phone wireless charging panel, and the back is a central armrest box. The main driver's sun visor has an 8.8-inch makeup mirror. It is equipped with a drive motor with a maximum power of 126 kilowatts and a matching lithium iron phosphate battery with a capacity of 45.9 kilowatt-hours. The pure electric range has been increased to 430 kilometers. With a series of measures such as reducing wind resistance by 2 CD, reducing tire rolling resistance by 3.3%, and reducing brake friction by 33.3% through IBC and low friction calipers, The operating efficiency has been improved by 3.2% and the power consumption per 100 kilometers has been reduced by 6.15%. Designers have optimized and upgraded the chassis comfort and road-holding stability of the new Ora Good Cat. The chassis has been moved up by 30 millimeters. The approach angle/departure angle has been increased by 1 degree and 2 degrees respectively. The passing ability has been strengthened, and the turning radius has been shortened by 0.2 m to 5.4 m. Finally, the new vehicle is equipped with 8 scene modes, wind and wave mode, nap mode, pet mode, etc., that support one-key switching.